Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Buy Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then after you see it, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sounds, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the volume option selected, and now we can adjust the sound volume by swiping on the slider or by tapping on the icons on the top and bottom of the screen. And once you're done adjusting, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.